Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply crop effect to a video using the Media3 transformer in native Android application. So firstly I will show you the output so you know what I mean. So here is a basic video playing. Now this video is from a network URL, so it is stored on someone's server and I am playing this video using exoplayer. Also I'll just show you the logcat as well. Okay, I'll just type in progress. Okay, I'll just remove this as well, and now I will click on the convert button. Now here it has started to apply some crop effect to this particular video. Now you might be wondering like how does it know what to crop. So for that I have hard coded the values in my code. I will show you shortly, but here you can see this is the original video, the one at the top, and the second one is the cropped video. So you can see that I have applied some cropping effect to the second video. And in the logcat, what I wanted to show you that if your video is quite long, it might take a little bit of time, so it important to display progress bar to the user. So here you can see the one which you see at the start is the progress state, and 0 which you see the actual progress. So here you can see 2 is the progress state, 1 is the progress, then 8, 17, all that sort of stuff, and at the end it doesn't reach till 100. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Like for small videos I have noticed that it doesn't reach till 100, but here you can see the progress state goes to 0. So with the help of that you can know that the conversion has already finished. Okay, so this is for a video which is stored on a network URL. I will also show it for a video which is stored on someone's server. I will also show it for, now I will show it for a video which is stored on locally inside your device. So I have created one more activity and I am making it as a starting activity by changing the intent filter from our main activity to our second activity. So I'll quickly show you that output as well. So here as you can see I have two buttons, one for picking the video. So if I click on this pick video first, it will show me the video picker, and here you can see once for the first output, once I have converted a video, it is also saved to external storage, so don't worry about it. Now I will select this 1 minute long video. Okay, and here you can see this is the original video. Okay, and if I click on convert, it will convert it, it will save it to external storage, the cropped video, and play it inside our second exoplayer as well. So yeah, that's it. So let's just wait for it to finish. Also in the meantime what I'll do is I'll move the intent filter back to our main activity because I want to show you one more thing, and I will just on comment this. So here you can see that I'll just play the first video as well. So here you can clearly see the difference that the second video is cropped whereas the first video is the original video. What if you don't want to wait to apply this cropping? You already have the dimension on what you need to crop, and as soon as a user picks a video, that cropping effect should be applied automatically. So for that you just have to uncomment this particular code. Now I will run it. Now it will again play the first video, the cat video which I have shown you in the first demo, because I'm playing the main activity, and it will automatically apply the crop effect to the original video. I don't have to click on the convert button. So I wanted to show you that as well, just to avoid confusion that you have to apply any transformation. So here you can see it has applied that crop effect to the original video itself. But yeah, if you want to save it to external storage, then you will have to click on the convert button functionality. So anyways, I have just commented it again. But yeah, let me show you the code first. So firstly you will have to go to Android manifest, and here I have added few permission. First is the internet permission, then read write external storage permission, then inside build.gradle.kts I have added few dependencies. So the exoplayer UI, exoplayer HLS, transformer, effect, and common, and these are actually referenced inside our libs.versions.toml file. So here you can see this is the Media3 exoplayer dependency, and here I have added all the proper names as well as the value for the Media3 dependency. So once you add this, you will have to click on sync now, so it will download all the Android dependencies for you. once you do that, I have already created one more activity called second activity. You don't need to create it because I wanted to show both things, like a video stored on someone's server as well as a video which is played on which is picked locally from your phone. So choose whatever makes sense to you. So firstly I'll show you first activity underscore main. So here I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. And here firstly I have created our player view. So this is the initial input player. Okay, so just copy paste it. Then I have created one more player. So once we click on the convert button, the output player will, the second player will start playing the second video or the converted video. Okay, so for that I have created this player view, one button for clicking on the convert text and one for progress bar as well, so that once you click on the convert button, the user knows how much progress has been happened. So here I'm using circular progress bar, but if you want you can display a linear progress bar with an actual value of 0 to 100. I think that would be better, but yeah, up to you. Then inside main activity, these are all the imports. So first of all you can just copy paste all the imports which I have added. Okay, then I have extended transformer.listener because we will be overriding two methods, on completed and on error, which I will show you later. Then we have got hold of our two exo players, two player views, one progress bar as well, file name, playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here we create our transformer. Here is our file. So this will actually store the converted video, and this is the video URL. Sorry, so this is the video URL. So you can this video is stored on someone's server, so you can change the video URL to whatever video you feel like. And then we created this handler and progress holder to keep track of the progress of how much conversion has happened. Then we have this read write external storage as well. Then this is for picking a permission. So for older version of Android we require the read write external storage permission for saving the video as well as so this is only required if you click on the convert button, because we are saving the video, then reading that file URL and playing that inside the second player, right? So if you are not using that, don't worry about it. So here we have created this array list of effect, and here you can see I have applied the crop effect. Now I have hard coded the values, but you can maybe display a window on your first player, and let the user select what he or she wants to crop, and then update this particular values. If you are interested in that tutorial, do let me know in the comments, but here I have kept things simple, that's why I have hard coded these values, but you can change the values to whatever you feel like. Then I have just applied this crop effect to our array list of effect. I have initialized our progress bar as well as two input player views, and once on click of this button, okay, so next on the button click we just call this method which I will show you shortly. Here we just call init input player. So here we are initializing our input player. Now if you want to apply that crop effect directly on your first player itself, instead of waiting for that conversion to take place once you click on the convert button, you can just uncomment this particular code. Up to you, I will just comment it for now, it's your choice. Then here we are initializing our output player. Then this here we are releasing our player. On start we just initialize our player, on stop we release our player, on resume we resume it, on pause we pause it, on destroy we release it. And this is the method which gets called on the button click. So if you're above Android R, you can just start the transformation. If below Android R, then we have to ask for permission. Then we just call setup transformer. So here we just call this like release our output player if it is playing some video, and then we just call transform video. We display the progress bar, we initialize our transformer, and then we just call our input media item. Here we call this edited media item, pass our input media item into it, create our external file, and then start the transformation. So here I am tracking the progress state. So the first variable which you saw in logcat was the progress state, second was the actual progress. I have also added a 500 millisecond delay just for performance reason. That's why sometimes it doesn't go till 100 in the progress, but you can again like I told you, you can also know whether it has completed using the progress state. Also we have two listeners which I will show you shortly. Then this is how we create the external file. Now you can just copy paste it, and this is how we save file to external storage. Now even I have copy pasted this code from the documentation. Yeah, you can do the same. So I'll just simply scroll through this. Then here, like I was telling you, we have these two methods. So on completed, in that case we display our output player, initialize our output player, and display save file to external storage and hide our progress bar. On error, we hide both output player and progress bar and just display a toast message, so in case if there is failure in conversion. Now for second activity, it is exactly the same as main activity. I won't explain it, I will only explain the video picking part. So here you can see in activity underscore second, I have this pick video button. Then I have a one player view which will play the first video. Then the second player, if you click on the convert button, this is play the second video or the converted video, and this is the convert button, and this is a progress bar. Okay, and for second activity also we have the almost the same imports, so you can just copy paste it. Okay, I'll just code optimize imports. Okay, then here again same thing, this everything is same as main activity. Okay, so I'll simply scroll through this. Only thing is we don't have the video URL at the start, so on click of the button we just call this particular method. So here picking by videos only, once the user picks a video, we have the URI, we append it to this, and we just initialize our input player and call on resume on it. Okay, so everything else remains the same. So I'll simply scroll through this. So here in second demo, it's also, if you want to apply the video effect as soon as the video is picked from the user's phone, you can uncomment this, up to you. So you don't have to click on the convert button. So it varies upon project to project how exactly whatever is your requirement. Then I'll just simply scroll through this. So you can pause the video wherever you feel like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.